Exercise 1.21. So let's have a look at this case. This case is actually a very common case that I bet many of you have tried for yourself. So here we have a student that this student received a grade for 4 different subjects, and that grade is only half of what's required. So still another grade is coming in. And if you were that student, probably you are curious about the second grade to see how much would you need to achieve a passing grade. So let's do that in Excel. First, let's create 2 new sheets. One is called 1.21.1 and the other called 1.21.2. Alright, for the 1.21.1 we should have 4 different subjects and their grades. So the subjects are English, Informatics, German, and Dutch. And we should call the first test test 1, and let's see the grades. English 6.3, Informatics 7.0, German 5.1, and Dutch 5.7. So these are all the grades, and we also need to type in here. They didn't mention where, so we'll just choose C7, for example. The threshold of a passing grade, 5.5. Okay, and let's copy these into the second sheet. Actually, not everything, only this part. We leave the 5.5 here. Copy this one to here, paste, enlarge it. Okay, now we want to know how much do we need for test 2 in order to achieve an average of 5.5 or above. So these ones, even though we copied them here, but actually the right way is to refer to the other cell. So we're gonna do these 4 numbers again by referring to the other cell. So here is the first one. Press enter, and we don't have to go back again and again. We just drag it downwards. It's still referring to the other sheet, but since the position is the same, we can just drag it downwards. And for test 2, how much would we need? Is that we need 2 times 5.5, right, in order to have a pass, and minus what we have already achieved in test 1. That will be the minimum we need for test 2, and that is the question here. So to think backwards, what we need, we first get it. So this is what we need, and not only one of them, but 2 of them, since we are talking about an average. So we need this part and times 2. Okay, press enter. Oh, we have a value issue. So what went wrong? Let's see here. Oh, probably the formatting is blocking us. You see, 5.5 is what we have here, but all the other number is 5 comma. So let's change the dot to a comma. This should fix it. So let's check the formula again. Oh, it works. The test 2 should be 11, but not finished yet. 11 would be 2 grades, and we need to minus the first grade to see what's the minimal requirement of the second grade. That's it. And before we drag it downwards, again, the same thing is the dollar sign. C7, lock it by the row since we are moving downwards, not horizontally. Now it's safe for us to copy it down. Alright, let's adjust the formatting, and here we go. And if the passing grade changed to 6 or 7 to 8, the formula works still, and the formula will calculate the average you need automatically. So this is another exercise using only cell references instead of writing any numbers. Hope it's helpful for you. You can use it for calculating the grade you need for the final. And I will see you in the video of 1.22. See you next time.